Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my second video on this channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I make this beautiful cherry mask strap. It's really easy to make and it gives a cute accessory when we wear a mask. If you wanna know how I make this cherry mask strap, then keep on watching. To make this mask strap, we need beads and also string. I use the non-elastic or non-stretchy string. We need 90 centimeters of this. And we need 2 crimson beads. I used silver color and it looks like this. And now we are going to add 1 crimson beads to the string. Then tie the string several times until it forms a pile and the crimson beads cannot pass through the string anymore. Make sure to tie it tightly so it doesn't get damaged when used. And when it's done, it will look like this. Now, bring the crimson beads up. Then insert the string that forms a pile into the crimson beads and lock it. When it's finished, add 10 pieces of pearl beads. I use white pearl beads that are shaped like rice seeds because it's really cute. Now, to make the cherry, we need 2 green beads and 2 red beads. Then, separate the green and red beads first to make it easier for us to shape the cherry. After that, insert the string into the holes of the green beads that enter the strings first. Then pull the string so the green and red beads blend together, and it's gonna be looks like this. Now, we will continue the same process until it reaches 70 centimeters. I found 70 centimeters is the right size to make this, but if you want less or more, it can be adjusted according to your taste. After it reaches 70 centimeters, take another crimson beads and add it to the strings. Then tie it up to form a round pile like what was done at the beginning. This process requires more patience than what we did at the beginning because we have to tie the strings as close as possible to the crimson beads. And when it looks perfect, the crimson beads are ready to be locked. And cut the rest of the strings so it looks perfect. Now, take one jump ring, open it, hook it with the crimson beads hole, and add one lobster clasps. Then, lock it with pliers. Now, repeat the same process on the other side. So this is the final product. It's really cute. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a like, and I see you on my next video. Bye bye.